Hi, this is Nydia checking in from sunny Florida. I think I've turned 2 different shades darker since I've been here. I've been traveling with my daughter Mika. It's pretty fantastic. Hey, I just wanted to remind you that our Breathe workshop and our Hip Health workshop will be coming in July. So I will be holding the Breathe workshop on Saturday, July 16th from 10 to noon time, and we'll be working on checking out the physiology, basic physiology of the breath. We will practice some things that will make your basic functioning during the day a little bit easier, because when you're more efficient with your breath, then you're able to calm the nervous system and really improve your long-term well-being for the long term. Then on our Thursday, July 28th from 2 to 4 p.m., I will be presenting our hip health workshop, where you can learn a little bit about the physiology of the hip complex, and the parts of the body that make it important for how it functions, and how to keep it strong, how to keep it balanced, how to improve your balance and your long-term well-being as well. So I hope that you'll take some time out to register. Check out the website, but I will be sending a couple of links out with our email. So these are practices that are important for your long-term well-being. And if you have some time to join us either live during the workshop or via live stream, you can do that too, from anywhere in the world where you have internet access. And some of you may not be able to make either live or the live stream, but you'll be able to come on after the fact. So anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Have a great day.